Welcome everyone. Well, today was technically a break-even day, but it was really crazy and I was frustrated too, to be honest, but there was a beautiful trade. Ended up overall a round number of $100 across the valuation account. But you know, on live stream I called out a long trade on NQ, ended up in a stop loss. Then also still on live stream called out a short, and I was technically lucky because I called it to the tick. It was, my take profit was 614.50 and the lowest candle was 614, so that was quite a lucky one. But after that I caught a little bit of loss here. It was actually previously while I streamed in New York, so that was a little bit of loss there. But the biggest losses for me came with the Russell when I started to enter to long positions to target the 1 hour fair value gap up there. Ended up with a loss, tried the second time, and by the time the whole trend changed I was a little bit scared and frustrated to take these trades or not. So I was down like 3R or something, a little bit more, because of this small trade. And this one took me back to -1R. Anyway, I was still like down with -1R until the New York session started, and I scalped my way back to a little bit of profits, but the goal was only to scalp my way back to break even. Actually, this trade could have ended in profit. The thing is, I messed up the entry. So if I would have used proper stop and if I would have entered right here, then a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio could have got me into take profit. But instead I was using a wider stop and a wider take profit level, and so it took me out on the Russell. This could have been my savior, but it wasn't. So not gonna lie, I had a very short stream in New York right now because I was feeling confused and frustrated, which happens to every one of us. But for those of you who are curious how the accounts are doing, this is the Bulenox account. Now yesterday it was the same starting balance. It's because yesterday was a holiday in US and the server was not updating on any of these futures prop firms. But I have my trading journal here. So here you can see that yesterday the closing balance was on the Bulenox account was 51,502, and now we are at 51,534. The my funded futures account yesterday was $733.34 in profit, and now we're $755 in profit. And the Apex account is was $732 yesterday, and now we're at $779. Don't ask me why is the difference, because the Apex, the other ones, the my funded futures have $21 in profit. The Bulenox account has 32, and the Apex has 47. I think it's because of the market execution and the trade copier lag, which caused the difference. But anyway, I was frustrated the whole morning, and I thought that I should not be trading the New York Open. I'm not sure I will trade the New York PM session. I'm happy that I got back the accounts to break even, so this is technically a break even day. I scalped with micros. I don't like to scalp because I'm not good in scalping and it frustrates me. So anyway, NQ had a big move. It can still go down below the 500 as I'm recording this. It's 10:24, almost 10:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It can still go down there. But this was the move. Russell is edging back higher. I don't know what's gonna happen, but for me it was a roller coaster. So anyway, next day is a good day. And remember, the goal is always to reserve and preserve your capital, protect your capital. That's the main goal. And that's what I did today, and that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. And looking forward for tomorrow. So see you guys in the live streams. I'm still happy with today as a break-even day, but you know, at least we did not lose big time. So guys, hope to see you tomorrow, and thanks for watching.